How to transfer money from Wise to bank account. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna tell you how you can transfer money from your Wise account to your bank account. So first of all, just open your Wise, and after that, on your home screen under the account section, just click on send single payment, and after that just select the amount and the currency. Just select USD, and after that just click on same currency and just click on continue. Since you want to transfer money from Wise account to the bank account, I'm just gonna do it on my bank account. So under the recipient section, I'm just gonna click on my business, and after that, here on this page you have to enter your account details like your routing number, your account number, and all the other details. And after that, just click on confirm. So that $100 that you have selected will be transferred from your Wise account to your bank account. So this is how you will be able to transfer money from your Wise account to your bank account. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.